In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your tasks assigned or not in ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp. From the left sidebar, head to your team space and open the overview area within My Workspace. Think of overview as your control panel. It pulls together the work you have access to and makes it easy to jump into a consolidated task view without digging through spaces and folders. Once you're on overview, choose all tasks under My Workspace. This is the key view that aggregates everything. Tasks assigned to you, tasks assigned to teammates, and tasks that are currently unassigned. If you ever feel like something's missing, take a quick glance at the filters along the top of the page. Make sure the assignee filter isn't set to me only. Set it to all or anyone so you can see both assigned and unassigned items. If needed, clear any status or date filters so the full picture is visible, and include subtasks so smaller pieces of work aren't hidden. Those small checks ensure you truly see every task you have permission to view. Now, let's change how these tasks are displayed to make them easier to scan. Click on Board to switch to the board view. Here, tasks are organized into columns, typically by status, which makes it great for tracking progress at a glance. You can drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status, and you can open a task card to review details like assignee, due date, and priority. If you prefer to spot unassigned tasks quickly, try grouping by assignee in the view options. You'll see an unassigned column that collects any tasks without an owner, which makes it simple to assign them and keep work moving. When you need a more precise spreadsheet-like view, switch to List by clicking on List. This lays out tasks in rows with columns for assignee, due date, status, and more. You can sort by assignee to bring unassigned tasks to the top, or sort by due date to identify what's most urgent. Expanding subtasks in this view is helpful for workload clarity, and you can adjust visible columns so you see only the details that matter to you, like priority or tags. If you momentarily filter the list to focus on a specific status or time frame, remember to clear those filters afterward to return to the complete set of tasks. That's it. By using Overview to reach all tasks, then switching between Board and List, you'll reliably see every task, assigned or not, and manage your work with confidence.